You have been praying and praying. Said, "Heaven give us you want the Lord, you want the Lord, yes. See what the Lord has what we've been praying has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. Just say for the last time, everybody all over the building, see what the Lord has done. The Lord has. Just look at your neighbor and say, see what the Lord has done. See what the Lord has done. You are still here today. What we've been praying for has come to pass. He was. Something about the name Jesus.